Make sure you hit me in my arm and not in my shirt.
Okay, we're gonna shoot Vivian.
Stand by the net.
It looks so pinched, Jess. It is getting close. Okay.
Alright, we're gonna shoot him. He's really paintballing.
Only once! Only once!
Yeah, I'm gonna shoot you once. I'm not a dick.
No, but your fingers go fast. Only shoot me once.
Alright, I'm gonna shoot him once. I'm not like that. I'm gonna shoot him in the arm. You're kind of close. Videotape him.
Is it gonna hurt?
Calm down, Vivian. Act manly. You look like a girl.
You see that?
Oh my god.
Ow!
Nice one.
Ow! Stop it! Stop it! It hurts! Ow! Ow!
This is my sister. She's gonna shoot my spider VS3. Really slowly, probably, and inaccurately. Damn, you're sure. Shoot faster.
Yeah! Shoot Molly! Molly stole your girlfriend!
Wow.
Molly stole your girlfriend! That's right, shoot Molly!
Yeah,
shoot her! She stole your boyfriend! Yeah!
Wow.
Show Molly what it's all about!
This is Vivian shooting my spider VS3. Oh my god, you're horrible aim. You're almost as bad as my sister. Oh, ball break. Hurry up.
Give up! Give up! Come on! Ah, bullshit!
Oh, I'm out of air. Are you serious? Is that as fast as you can shoot? Alright, you're out, you're out. Jeez, don't drop it.
Yeah! She's fucking falling!
Is that a hole?
I'll get more balls.
That's a hole, man.
Don't. You put a fucking hole in the dog.
Go to her. Ah! Scared you.
Oh my god! Ah! Susie! Susie! All I did was go to the grocery market! That's all I did! That's all I did! I just went to the grocery market! Ah! Look at her! Ah!
Perfectly clean. Why was it stopping?
Ah! Susie! Susie, say something!
I don't think he's gonna say anything.
Ah!